how to copy, paste, select, and select all by keyboard shortcut on your MacBook or your iMac. So first, how to copy something. For example, I want to copy this song. What you want to do is select Command and C. Select and hold Command button, and then tap C button. And to paste something, you can just select and type Command and tap on V button. There you go. Select and Command, hold it, and tap V button. And the third, how to select something. You can just select this number 1 song, and if you want to deselect number 3 without selecting number 2, you can just click Shift and then select this number 3, and there you go. And how to select all, you can just click Command, hold it, and tap A button. There you go. Hold and tap this Command and tap A button. There you go. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.